French knife with a drop blade. Squeeze them in there tight, draw through. My sharpener's got a patented flex, so they follow the knife's original edge. It lines it up, puts the original edge as sharp as they can get. This one here.
Oh wow, Dad, you should get one of those.
See how sharp they got. Now watch this, I'm going to show you the next trick. Use your leather belt or a piece of cardboard when you're done. Oops. Got that. Leather and cardboard will fine it up now. The bevel is set where it needs to be. Feel the difference on there now. The leather helps on it. I do these for 20 bucks a piece here today. You do that with fillet knives, any kind of knife.
Dad, our Sharpening knives
Oh, you can drag more now, so I got them to glow in the dark. Today, 20 bucks on them, guys. Any one you like. There's a lot of videos online. We'll show you more stuff. My website's on every handle. Okay, appreciate it. You got your knife, guy? We'll show you how to work on it. Any knife you got?
I don't have it on me.
All right. Grab in when you like. That's my last glow in the dark. It's yours. Thank you.